General students, today we will start the next topic of our adjective phrase. But before starting our new topic, I want to explain a doubt you are having about the phrase and clause. What is the meaning of phrase and clause? So come on, we have a small explanation of this topic, then we move to the adjective phrase. Okay, what is phrase? A group of words. Okay, a group of words that gives a sense only when used in a sentence. Means when it used in a sentence, then it give a complete sense of meaning. Here are the examples. The book is on the table. So on the table is a phrase. When we are saying on the table, so it's not giving us a complete sense. We are having some sense but not a complete sense. But when we used it with a sentence, the book is on the table, then it is give us a complete sense or complete meaning. The school will remain closed on account of Holi. Okay. So what is the phrase here? On account of, not Holi. On account of. So when we are just saying on account of, so it doesn't mean that what's the meaning of on account of. But when we use it with a sentence, the school will remain closed on account of Holi, then it will give us a complete sense or complete meaning. What is clause? A group of words having subject and object. They are having subject and object, but still it is part of a sentence. Okay, it is a part of a sentence. Mean when we are using it in a sentence, then only it's a complete word. It is the truth that 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, so you can say that what is clause here? Here are the two clause. It is true. This is the first one. It is true, and we are joining it with this word that. 2 and 2 make 4. So here are the two clause. Okay, this is the principal clause and it is a subordinate clause. Okay, in next when we have the fresh topic of clause in our grammar, then I will explain you in a detail. But here it's sufficient to know the meaning. The next one, I am studying but. Again here the two clauses are here. The principal clause is I am studying. I am studying. But we are joining it with the sentence word but. ठीक है, हम किस word से join कर रहे हैं? But. My brother is playing. This is the subordinate clause. So I think now you get the difference between the phrase and clause. Now we will study adjective phrase, our next topic of grammar. Thank you and general. Okay, so next topic is adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronouns in the sentence. So, you know that adjective phrase is a adjective phrase is a phrase which describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. But we can put the adjective phrase before the noun or pronoun or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. From an example, we can understand it better. The beautiful house and the house that is beautiful. The both sentence give the same meaning. But the beautiful house, here beautiful describes house and it is adjective here. But when we say that the house that is beautiful, so it is a phrase, because here that is beautiful is a group of words which give you the some sense but not complete sense. By adding it in a sentence, the house that is beautiful, this sentence give you the complete sense of meaning. Okay, so phrase is a group of words which give you some sense. आपको कुछ sense आता है कि what we mean to say, but we get the complete sense of the sentence, complete meaning of the sentence by using them in a sentence. Here what written, the farmer has an adjective, beautiful house is adjective, whereas the letter has an adjectival phrase. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, हाउ कैन आई आइडेंटिफाई एन फ्रेज एडजेक्टिव, कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, दैट इज इट इज़ अ फ्रेज एडजेक्टिव is to look at the first word of the group of words. If the first word is an adverb or preposition, there is a good chance that the phrase is an adjective phrase. Okay, so what is the first word? First word can be the adverb or the preposition. Okay, here in the sentence you can see that is beautiful. So what is that? That is a preposition. Now we can have a next example. Before that, we can also identify adjectival phrase by ask yourself what is this phrase modifying. Means if the phrase is modifying noun or pronoun, then it is a adjectival phrase. If the group of words does in fact modify the noun or the subject of the clause or sentence, then the phrase is in fact an adjective phrase. The angry dog and the dog that is acting very angry. The latter phrase uses the phrase that is acting very angry to modify the subject, which is the noun dog. Thus the latter example has an adjectival phrase. In this sentence you can just notice that the noun is here what? Dog. So the dog that is acting very angry means here the phrase that is acting very angry is modify the subject, and subject is the dog, which is noun. So by this we can understand that it is a adjectival phrase. More examples are here. The girl in the red shirt is my little sister. So in the red shirt is describing whom? The girl, and the girl is subject here. Or in this sentence you can also notice in. In is what? It is a preposition. Now, are the shoes under the chair yours? Under the chair is describing whom? The shoes, and the shoes is subject here. Next, the woman on the boat is my Aunt Carol. Sushan is clever. She seemed extremely pleasant. The movie was not too terribly long. So these are the examples of adjective phrases. Now, thank you. We will move to our exercises. Jai Narayana to all.